Can I show you 6 different AI side hustles that are earning people $500 per day? And can I show you proof that real people, including myself, are actually making money doing these different side hustles? Well, that is a challenge I've set myself today. However, I do have to warn you, some of these AI tools that I'm about to show you are so crazy that they're actually a bit controversial. But if you don't mind a little bit of controversy, then we'll just jump straight into it. And we will start with the first AI side hustle, AI-generated dot-to-dots. Yes, so a surprisingly popular interactive activity book for kids on Amazon are these dot-to-dot books, and they're actually quite simple. They just feature pages that have a single image that has had some of its lines erased and instead replaced with numbered dots. And as I said, these are surprisingly popular. Take, for example, this dot-to-dot book here. If we take the best sellers ranking for this book and then we put it into a sales estimator, you can see that it estimates that it sells 2,760 copies a month. And you see, here's the thing, right? Amazon has a free program called Amazon KDP. This lets people self-publish books on Amazon. The way it works is simple. Amazon will list your book for free on their website, and then each time a customer buys it, Amazon will print and ship it on demand for them in exchange for 40% of the sales. So then, if we do the math, we can estimate that if a book like this was published with Amazon KDP, that it would earn over $16,000 per month after fees, which is pretty cool. And so, of course, the next question is this. Okay, Jaden, how can you make dot-to-dots then using AI? And well, here's how we will do it. First of all, you will need an AI image generator. Some popular ones include Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, DALL-E, or my personal favorite, Midjourney. Then you come in and ask it to generate a picture on anything that you want to turn into a dot-to-dot. Ask it to generate for you a simple line art picture that uses black line art. Then once you've picked your picture, open it up in an image editor. My personal favorite free one is Photopea. Use the eraser tool to erase the parts of the image that you will turn into a dot-to-dot, and then save this image as a new copy. Then open up my personal favorite graphic design app, Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, I'll include my affiliate link to it in the video description below, and finish it in Canva. I left a full tutorial link below to learn how to finish your image in Canva and post to Amazon. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Okay, back to the video. So then let's now move on to a very different side hustle, AI-generated podcasts. Yep, so on YouTube, podcasts are ridiculously popular. And I should know because I love listening to true crime podcasts in particular. And as you can see, these can get tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of views, which can earn a lot of money because you see, YouTube has a monetization program, the Partner Program. This is where YouTube splits ad revenue with creators. On average, they pay around $4 to $8 per 1,000 views for long-form videos, although that's just an average. I'm part of this and I personally earn a lot more than that. Every day I earn hundreds of dollars, sometimes over $1,000 per day from ads. But yes, I think that this is a side hustle to consider this year because there are some crazy new AI tools coming out that literally generate podcast-like conversations for you. Take, for example, Google's Notebook LM conversation tool, which, by the way, is completely free. It lets you upload documents and it will turn your text information into a conversation just like a podcast. So, for example, I went and copied and pasted the Wikipedia page for a funny true crime story, and I uploaded it to the tool, and it generated a whole chatty, podcast-like conversation for me using AI voices. And I'll be honest, when I first heard about this, I didn't actually think that it would work, but then I actually tried it for myself and discovered that, yes, this does work. It's pretty crazy. So then, let's now move on to a very different kind of side hustle, AI automated candles. Yes, so over on Etsy, one of the biggest online marketplaces in the world, candles are a super popular gift. And here's the thing, right? You can see that all these candles have one thing in common, don't they? They all have a funny or cheeky joke on them. And ChatGPT is, in my personal opinion, perfect for this sort of thing. You can give ChatGPT an example of a type of joke that you see selling well and ask it to come up with jokes in a similar tone of voice and style aimed at a particular type of niche customer. Then you can come to a graphic design app like Canva and design a simple label that features your niche AI-generated joke. Then you can come to a print-on-demand app that sells candles like Printify. Inside of Printify's catalog, they have simple blank candles that you can customize and sell from top candle makers like Printed Mint. I actually ordered some of the candles as samples earlier this year. As you can see, they're actually really nice and great quality. But yes, you then just upload your label onto the print-on-demand candles, and then you open up a free Etsy store and you list your candles in it for a markup price. And then when a customer buys one from you, Printify's print shop will then make your candle for you and ship it out to the customer, while you get to keep the difference as profit. This process is called print on demand, and it makes the process of creating and selling candles pretty much automated. If you're interested in learning how it works, you can check out the YouTube video in the description below. But anyway, back to the video. So then it is now time for a very different side hustle, AI influencers. And well, just a warning, as I'll show you, people are making a lot of money doing this. However, this side hustle and the AI tools it uses might just be the most controversial one on this list. So I'm just going to make something clear up front. Me showing you the side hustle and me showing these AI tools is not the same as me endorsing them. No, instead, I have polled viewers and asked them, do you want me to share all side hustles making money right now, including controversial ones? And most people said yes, with some saying that even if they wouldn't do them themselves personally, they find them interesting regardless. So yes, with that out of the way, let's begin. So there are a bunch of influencers on Instagram like these ones that have followings of tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands to over 1 million people. They build their following by posting photos and by posting video clips of themselves doing things like dancing, but none of these people are real. They are all just AI, and to make them, the creators of these influencers use a free open source AI image generator, Focus, which you can download from GitHub. Focus specializes in hyper-realistic images, and so they will use this to generate their model's face. Then inside of Focus, creators will then use this face swap tool, which lets you generate pictures of models using the exact same face as the model that you generated before. And this is how they're able to generate photo after photo of their AI influencer and have them look consistently the same in each photo. And then to make the videos, they use this tool that's also free and open source on GitHub Roop. Roop lets you upload a photo of a face in a video, and then it will deepfake the face from the photo onto the video. And here is where it gets even more controversial. You see, creators often choose to monetize by linking to a private paid membership on sites like Patreon and Fanvu, which, if you join, gets you access to their not safe for work photos, which they generate for free, again with Focus. So yes, this is how you make AI influencers, and this is how you monetize them. But the real question is this. Okay, does it actually work? Does this actually make any money? It's a good question, right? So to find out, I emailed one of the websites, Fanvu, to ask if they could prove to me that creators are actually making money with AI influencers. And to my surprise, they actually replied really quickly with proof. It turns out that there are hundreds of creators earning over $10,000 plus per month. So this was really interesting to see and showed that yes, controversy aside, this is absolutely an AI side hustle that's making people money right now. All right then, let's now move on to a much less controversial AI side hustle niche, word searches. Yes, so a word search is a type of puzzle where a bunch of letters are in a box and you have to find the words hidden within it. These can make a lot of money on Amazon. You can design word game books for both adults and kids, and you can also design them to target specific niche customers. Take, for example, this niche word search book here in the kids' educational niche. If you check out a preview of the pages inside of it, you can see they are a pretty simple layout. And, well, if we take its bestsellers ranking on Amazon and put it into a sales estimator, you can see that it estimates that it's selling 690 units a month. Considering its price at $9.95, that means we can estimate that it's earning over $6,800 a month in sales. Here's the thing, this is just one of many niche activity books that this author is selling on Amazon. I can't say for certain, but it sure looks like a lot of these were made with the help of AI. It's pretty cool now that they are earning passive income each month from all these different books they've posted. Here's how you can make word searches using AI. First, come to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a word search puzzle for you in any niche you like. You just tell it how many words you'd like it to feature and how many rows and columns you want. It will then generate it for you. Then use any graphic design app to create the book pages. Personally, I really like using Canva, especially for word search puzzles, because there are already word search puzzle templates inside Canva that you can use as a base for yours. You can edit and customize these by adding your own ChatGPT puzzles and Canva's free clip art and elements to turn it into your design. Finally, you can use Amazon's self-publishing service, KDP, to print and sell them for you. Let's now discuss a side hustle that is near and dear to my heart: automated AI t-shirts. Here's the thing. Printify doesn't just sell candles, they sell lots of other products, including clothing like t-shirts, which are the #1 top-selling product on Printify. This means they're also a popular product on Etsy. Recently, I decided to try this side hustle as an experiment. For 90 days, I used AI to generate designs for clothing on Etsy. I used ChatGPT to generate slogans and Midjourney to generate AI art, then combined these inside Canva to create designs. I listed them on Etsy for sale using print-on-demand services, and I sold them for a profit. The experiment was quite successful. After 90 days, I got a lot of sales. However, I won't be sharing exactly how much money I made in this video. Stay tuned for a case study video next week where I'll dive into my experiment in depth. If you'd like to learn more ways to make money online, check out my next video. See you there. Or you can download my free guide, 54 Side Hustles Dossier, where I show you lots of profitable side hustles that actually work. Go to the link below. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe. It really helps me out with the algorithm.